Hi, I'm Anthony, and I'm the certified technician with Patrick Cadillac today, and we're doing a segment on Tech Explains. Today we're going to be talking about tire pressures. Since it is winter, we got to keep an eye on those since it is a very important detail on our vehicles nowadays. So 50 psi is our maximum, as you see right here, 350 kPa, and so with the tires on the sticker on the door on your driver's side, that is maximum at 35 psi. Especially with winter, nowadays we'll go 1 or 2 psi over, so usually 36 or 37 will be perfect for the psi in the tire. So tires in general, keeping the air in check does help a lot of stuff like tire tread, helps the tire wear more evenly. It does help for the comfort of the ride, especially is a big one, especially with the Cadillacs. Since the tires are more like soft tires, you need to keep that PSI up for that kind of smooth ride on the road. So you got your tire size right here. So it's going to be 235/60 R18. So depending on what type of vehicle you do have, all sizes are going to be different, but that kind of gives you the gist of how big the tire actually is itself. And then you got your valve stem right here. That's where you fill the tire, and your valve cap that protects it from any rust or moisture getting inside. So then you got your tire brand all right here. So for the Cadillacs, we either use Goodyear or Continental. So those are the two top brands that we use for tires nowadays. Hopefully you guys got some good insight about tire pressures. Very important thing. So this is Tech Explains, but hope you guys have a good day.